Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start pairing now. Plug a good USB cable into the phone and car, open ZLink, and allow required permissions. Once done, make sure Android Auto is enabled in your phone settings and ZLink is allowed to overlay and access media. If the car shows a connection prompt, accept it and select ZLink as the projection app. Next, confirm Bluetooth is active because initial device discovery often uses it. Keep the phone unlocked while the apps exchange data so the process completes smoothly. Once connected, open Android Auto settings and choose ZLink as the projection app so the car launches it automatically. Then, confirm audio routing. Set media output to the car via USB or Bluetooth and test playback. Adjust volume both on phone and head unit to avoid muted sound. Next, in ZLink settings, tweak display scaling or touch calibration if controls feel off. These adjustments ensure consistent touch response and readable UI. Afterward, restart the head unit if changes don't apply. Finish by verifying common failure points. If connection drops, reboot both phone and car head unit, then reconnect. Make sure both ZLink and Android Auto are up to date. An old app often causes handshake failures. If audio or touch still fails, swap the USB cable or try a different port on the car. Many problems are physical. As a last step, clear ZLink app data or test with another phone to isolate the issue. This quickly tells you whether the fault is device, app, or car related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.